Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make KFC style popcorn chicken.
Chicken boneless 150 grams, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, white onion powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, half lemon juice, and marinate well. Keep it in the fridge for half an hour. Separate the egg white, 2 numbers. Beat well. Add the chicken into egg white. Mix well.
Take 1 cup Maida, add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Mix well.
Dip the chicken into the flour.
Deep fry the chicken.
Fry until it turns golden brown.
KFC style popcorn chicken is ready. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.